In this video, I want to show you how you can change the size of your desktop icon. Now you can see the size here. This is a medium size. I want to further reduce it. So I'll hover my mouse, get to the desktop as you can see here. Right click on the desktop. That is my view. All right. Now you can see over here that I have large icons. It's currently at the medium icons. I want to change it to small icons. Okay. Take note that this is Windows 11. Could be different from Windows 10 and other Windows. So let's choose small icons. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, remember to hit the subscribe button and like the video. I'll see you in the next video.